Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I was able to clear up some surface acne and some texture on my skin with 6 easy steps. Everything that I use to do this is super easy. This is not going to be a skincare routine video, but it's just to kind of help you guys figure out if you have skin texture or if you have surface acne, which is I call like just acne that's on top of the skin. Something that I suffer from all the time is just, just small little acne bumps. And if you're always wondering how YouTubers have really smooth skin, or you see someone with really smooth skin, I'm going to share with you guys today how I was able to achieve that on a more affordable level, so you guys don't have to go out and expend a ton of money. And I'm going to give you guys all my tips right now. Okay guys, so before we jump into this video was sponsored by Duvolle. They sent me the Radiance skincare system, and this is the brush here. It comes with 4 separate parts. You have the body part here, which is just for your body to exfoliate your skin. Also get this little foot brush to help remove some of the callus and dry skin off your ankles. And lastly, you get 2 face brushes. One is for cleansing and the other is for exfoliation. And the cleansing one is off-white and the exfoliating one is white, so that way you can tell the difference between the two. I really love this system. It is really easy to use. You just click on the brush head and you can just use it. Compared to other ones, it's really affordable, and you can get this brush now for 70% off using the coupon code down below. So before we get started, yes, I am sick, so my voice sounds a little crappy, but it's okay. And 2, don't forget to click and subscribe and join the family here on Jackie and Annette. Please click down below and subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I post a new video, please click that bell next to the subscribe button to be notified when I post a new video. Okay guys, so like I said, this video is not a skincare routine video. This is literally just to share my tips on how I was able to clear up my acne and also get rid of some skin texture, because I was noticing that my skin was having a lot of texture when I do my makeup and I do makeup videos. And a lot of my photos on Instagram, I am going to say, do have a filter or some type of blurring effect to remove some of my acne, because recently I've been just struggling with my acne. But in the past, a lot of my photos don't, because I didn't have any acne. But I can say in the past year, most of those photos do have some type of filter on there, because I was struggling with my face breaking out really bad. So I'm going to share with you guys what I did and how I was able to clear this up, and all these things are very affordable. So the first thing is to remove all your makeup at nighttime or anytime you're wearing makeup. Properly removing your makeup every day is key to getting rid of acne, or to keep yourself from getting acne. I like to use the cleansing water first to remove all my makeup, and then I go into my skincare routine. But I use the cleansing water to kind of remove at least 80% of my makeup before I even wash my face. So removing your makeup is very important, because it does get out all that stuff that's been building up. Some people just use the cleansing water and then go to sleep, but that doesn't remove 100% of the makeup off your face. Step 2 is use a face wash that's not only gentle on your skin, but also is strong enough to help with the acne. So I love the Yes to tomato products because they work really well. The Yes to cucumbers is a really nice product, but it's not strong enough to remove the acne. So I had to switch over and use something I used way back in the day, girl, my Noxzema. It works wonderful, and I think they did change it up a little bit because it's not as strong as it used to be, but it has a nice cooling effect, and it's gentle on my skin to where it's not too harsh, but it's also strong enough to get rid of any surface acne. Now this worked for me, this may not work for you, but I've been using this and the Yes to cucumbers face wash during the day and the Noxzema at night. Tip number 3 is to invest in a skincare brush or a face brush, and you can get this one that I have here on my channel, Duvolle Radiance Skincare System, which come with the 4 brush heads like I showed you in the beginning of the video. I really love this brush. It removes 98% of my makeup and dry and dead skin when I'm washing my face. It also exfoliate my face and removes old skin, dry skin, rough skin, anything because of the dual brush heads. I have one that I use for cleaning, which I would use with just my face wash, and then I have the exfoliating one, which I would still use with some more of my face wash, but just to kind of really go deeper into the skin and remove all of that makeup. This system costs $95, but you can use the coupon code down below to get 70% off, and girl, that is a deal. It is worth it. I've been using this for 2 weeks, and if I'm here sharing these tips on how to clip your skin, this thing is worth it. Number 4 is really easy. It's face mask. You can do paper mask, which are good for hydration. They add a lot of moisture to the skin because you can rub in that extra product on your skin once the paper mask is done. You can use a mud or a clay mask to remove dirt or dry skin. I love these two. One that I'm into right now is the Shea Moisture Clarifying Mud Mask. It's really, really good on the skin. It's really good for if you have some acne that's really red and irritated. It calms down the skin. This is one of my favorite ones to use. And you can also use a peel off black mask, which I love, and it removes blackheads, whiteheads, and it also cleans pores. And the one I'm going to use here today is by Reminisce by Ro Cosmetics. I love this peel off mask. So easy to use, and it's really, really nice, and it does not hurt when you peel it off. So this is one of my favorite peel off masks to use, and I love to use this on my nose because sometimes I have little whiteheads that I want to remove off my nose. So using a face mask also can help eliminate some of the acne and the surface texture you may have. Number 5 is hydration. So some of the products that I like to use on my face for hydration and moisturizers is this Simple Sensitive Skin Expert. This is the Skin Quench Sleeping Cream. I also like to pair this with the Yes to Cucumbers Soothing Sensitive Skin Calming Night Cream. This one also has no dyes, no perfumes, and everything. It is very natural, and it tells you right on the bottle the percentage. And I like to use both of these together morning and night and apply it on my face. This helps make sure that my skin has all the moisture and the hydration it needs. And of course, guys, number 6 is to drink plenty of water. I feel like if you drink plenty of water, your skin will be bouncy, it'll be hydrated. There's no need to have to worry about it being dry. Water is always the answer when it comes to your skin. Drinking water helps flush out certain things, so I think drinking water first before even trying all these steps is the number one thing. Is make sure you get your A glasses in and all of these things. So I hope you guys liked all of these tips. I wanted to make this video pretty fast because it isn't a skincare routine, but I want to share this with you guys because I'm really excited about this skincare routine that I did find. And I do have other things that I use in my skincare routine, but I want to share with you guys how I was able to clear up my face because it has been hell for the past year. And I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to check out the coupon code down below for 70% off on the skincare system. And also I left links down below if you want to check out any of their other products on the Duvolle website. I absolutely love my spin brush. It has become part of my daily routine, and trust me when I say I use it every day. I use it every day. So I hope you guys will check it out down below. You can save 70% on a spin brush. This brush has high reviews, and of course I do not get any proceeds from doing this review. They sent me this brush, of course, for free, and I absolutely love it. I love the way it makes my skin feel, and it's become a part of my daily routine. And I even love the body brush here too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. Bye guys.